Hey guys, what's going on? Kevin here with Scoutek. Today I'm going to show you how to get up and running using our new email service. So to get started, if you haven't already, go ahead and create yourself a Scoutek account. And as you can see, I'm going to be walking you through using the mobile app. But if you're using the website, no big deal. You're going to follow the same exact steps. So let's go ahead and sign in. Here on the home page, we want to click the big red button, Register New Camera. And now we want to select the model of the camera that we're currently registering. If your camera model is not listed here, select the generic wireless email camera. If you are registering a Cuddeback camera, then you have one additional step you'll have to make at the very end, but I'll cover that when the time comes. I'm going to go ahead and select the generic model. And now just give your camera a name to help distinguish it apart from any of the other cameras, and you can always go back and change this name later if you want to. So once you've done that, click the Register Camera button. And now you have successfully registered the camera, and this will be the email right here that is displayed that you will want to program your camera as the point of contact to send its photos to. If you lose this message, no big deal. Come over here to your cameras page, and your email will be listed right here, as you can see. So the reason why Scoutek wants to know which model camera you're registering is because in the future we plan on extracting as much data sent by these cameras as we can and displaying it in Scoutek. So for example, we know that the Cuddeback camera every now and then can send a status report type email that will contain additional data such as battery levels and things like that. We want to be able to extract that data and implement it and show it to you in Scoutek as well. So not only are you going to get your photos and videos from your camera sent straight here, but you'll also get any other information that your camera can provide in here as well. But the only way for us to know which data is being sent by which cameras is with your guys' help. So if you ended up choosing the generic wireless model and you realize that your camera sends additional data in an email as well, whatever that may be, reach out to us and let us know either on our website scoutek.com or maybe on Facebook or anything like that. And in the future we plan on implementing as many new models as we can so that when you go back in here to register a camera, your model will now be listed, and now that you've registered that specific model camera, we will know which data it's going to be sending to the email, and we'll know how it's formatted, so we will know how to extract it and display it for you here in Scoutek. If you are a Cuddeback user, the one additional step that you'll have to take is if you try to input the Scoutek email we provided you with on Cuddeback's website as the point of contact for your camera to send the photos to, Cuddeback will give you an error telling you that that is an invalid email address. Unfortunately, right now there's nothing we can do to control this, and we've heard from other people complaints that they've gotten the same error message using, say, their work email or an email that is not a very common one, such as a Gmail. So one additional step you'll have to take is create a brand new Gmail account and just forward all incoming messages from your Gmail to the Scoutek email we just provided you with. And again, unfortunately, there's nothing we can do about that at this point, and I will leave a link in the description of the video on how to do that. It's pretty simple. But that's it, guys. Once you get that email address we send to you, plug it in your camera, and you're going to start getting photos sent straight here to your app. So I hope that was useful, and if there's anything that you guys are unsure about, if you have any questions, be sure to reach out to us on our website, scoutek.com, and I'll answer as many questions as I can, as best as I can. But we thank you guys for all of your support, and we'll see you next time.